You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. Spanish pronunciation: Drina. Drina. In English, it's generally pronounced as Drina, similarly to Spanish, or some may pronounce it as Drina as well, although that wouldn't be very common. How do you pronounce it yourself? That's what matters. Let us know in the comments. Let everybody know. Drina or Drina, let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.